Please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Blue sky, please tell us why you